Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SendGrid for transactional email deliverability, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a SendGrid account at sendgrid.com. Fill in your details and verify your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. Select the settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on Sender Authentication to set up your domain. Choose Authenticate your domain to start the process. Decide whether you want to use a subdomain or your root domain for sending emails. Follow the prompts to enter your domain information. SendGrid will provide you with DNS records for authentication. Next, log into your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS management section within your registrar account. Add the provided name and TXT records to your DNS settings. Ensure that you save your changes before exiting the DNS management area. Return to your SendGrid account and click on Verify. Wait a few moments for SendGrid to check your DNS records. Once verified, your domain will be officially authenticated. Now, navigate to the API Keys section within the Settings menu. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key. Assign a name to your API key for easy identification. Set the permissions according to your needs, typically full access is suitable. After generating your API key, make sure to copy it securely. Next, integrate the API key into your application or email service. Refer to the documentation specific to your programming language or framework. Test sending a transactional email using your new API key. Monitor the SendGrid dashboard for analytics and deliverability metrics. Finally, ensure you follow best practices for email content and list management to maintain a strong sender reputation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.